Baby Rexha is an American music arranger, musician, and record maker. She needed to be a craftsman from her adult scenes. Baby's folks were study of her in the entirety of her inventive undertaking. Her decision to make a name in the industry as a songwriter bore fruit as he became famous for her songwriting skills. The accolades her received as a writer opened up wonderful opportunities for her, and it gave her a great boost to her singing career. Biography and early life. Baby Rexha was brought into the world Beta Rexha on August 30, 1989 in Brooklyn, New York, USA to Albania Guardians. The meaning of Belita in Albania is a honey bee. Propelled by her Albania name, she gave herself the epithet Baby, which she would use as her stage name. Her dad, Flomer Rexha, moved to the USA at 21 years old. Her old neighborhood was Dibur, a city in the western piece of the Republic of Macedonia. Her mom, Becky Rexha, was brought into the world in the USA to an Albania family from the Gostivar area of Macedonia. Rexha consistently needed to be a piece of mainstream society and started composing melodies as a youngster. Age, height, weight, and body measurement. Well, Baby Rexha's age in 32 years old as of today's date, 18th October 2021, having been born on 30 August 1989. Thus, she is a 5 foot 4 inch and 165 centimeters. She weighed about 138.89 lbs in pound and 63 kg in kilograms. Her eye color is brown and hair color is medium brown. Education. Baby lived in Brooklyn for a very long time and afterward moved with her folks to Staten Island, New York, where she went to Tottenville High School. They played trumpet at a school for a very long time and played piano and guitar. Afterward, he got associated with much music. In secondary school, she turned into an individual from the ensemble and understood that she had a colorated soprano. Personal life, dating, boyfriend, husband, kids. Baby Rexha, one of the most beautiful ladies in the music industry, has many male fans from around the world. Baby's fans are always curious about the love life. The songwriter and singer is in a relationship with her long-time boyfriend, named Martin Garrix. He is a famous artist and a disc jockey. They both had a great time with each other. No split reports have been heard so far. However, it is not clear whether they both want to get married or not. The couple is focused on their current job and has no plans for a wedding in the next 4 years. Professional career. In 2013, Rexa was marketed with Warner Bros. Record as a one artist. Her best known songwriting career in 2013 was Eminem and Rihanna, The Monster, who was fourth in Eminem's Marshall Mathers LP2. In January 2015, Rexa co-produced and starred in G-Eazy, Me and Me. Music came in 7th on the Billboard Hot 100 and was ranked first on the US Pop Song Graph. The song was originally I Need Nothing and was originally composed by Rexa herself. Instead, he passed the idea on to G-Eazy and was highlighted during the music. In May 2017, Baby Rexa, the story which explores the minutes that completely changed Rexa and self-sacrifice into fame, was broadcast on MTV. Awards. In December 2018, Rexa was named Best New Artist at a 61 Grammy Award by Dua Lipa. Her songs went on to top USA Billboard Hot 100 and USA Hot R&B Hip Hop Songs and won the Grammy Award for Best Rap Song Performance at the 57th Annual Grammy Award. Net worth, salary and earning of Baby Rexa in 2021. Baby Rexa has earned a lot of respect and success in her entire career till now and hopes she will continue to do so and achieve all the milestones which she wants to get. She is very much dedicated to her work and uses to work very for it. It is estimated that the total net worth of Baby Rexa is around or more than $6 million as of 2021. Belita Rexa was born on August 13, 1989. She is better known as a Baby Rexa in the world. She is an American singer and songwriter and is very successful in her career. She has earned a lot of respect in the music industry, and all these with her hard work and dedication.